So we're going to start off by dividing one-digit numbers by 100. And we're going to use place value charts and we're going to use counters to help us. Now, if you remember from the previous video, I told you that when we divide by 100, things get 100 times smaller, or they move 2 places along in the place value chart. So let's have a look at this then. 4 divided by 100. Well, as I know, all the counts are going to move 2 places. So that would be divided by 10, and that's divided by 100. And again, moves 1, 2 places to the right, moves 1, 2 places to the right, and moves 1 and 2 places to the right. So I can see that 4 divided by 100 is 0 ones, because there's nothing in the ones column. There are no tenths either, but there are 4 hundredths. So 4 divided by 100 is 0.04. Or nothing and 4 hundredths. Let's have a look at 5 divided by 100. I'm going to follow the same rules. I'm going to move all the counters 2 places to the right in the place value column chart. They get 2 place value places smaller. So I'm going to move them all over into the hundredths. And then that will show me that 5 divided by 100 is 0.05, because I have no ones, I have no tenths, but I do have 5 hundredths. Right, with this last one, I'm not going to move the counters anymore because I think you get the idea. But when we divide by 100, all the counters would move 2 places to the right. Now, this is the same question here. The only difference is that they want you to put the answer at the beginning. So something equals 6 divided by 100. Well, 6 divided by 100 is 0.06. So 0.06 equals 6 divided by 100. So don't be fooled if they ask you to put the answer at the beginning or at the end. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that there's an equal sign there, so that both sides have to be equal. So 0.06 is the same thing as equal to 6 divided by 100.